Good morning. Today we are going to see pedagogical teaching method pick and talk under the subject 22 CS 501 computer networks. So students, we will be seeing the colors over here. So you people will be selecting any one color, and under each color, a layer of protocol will be there, and you are going to talk about that. We're just going to give a small brief. So who is going to select?
Ma'am,
Yes. What color, ma'am?
blue, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Blue color.
The network layer is responsible for the source to destination delivery of a data unit called as packet. Message delivery at the network layer does not give any guarantee to be reliable network layer protocol. Layer management protocols that belong to the network layer are routing protocols, multicast group management, network layer address assignment, and functions of the network layer are logical addressing and routing.
Yes, the next student.
Red color, ma'am, data link layer.
Okay.
Data link layer corrects error which can occur in physical layer to define the protocol to establish and terminate a connection between two connected network devices. It is IP understandable layer which helps you to define logical addressing so that any endpoint should be identified. The layer also helps you to implementing routing of packets through the network. It helps you to define the best path which allows you to take data from source to destinations. The data link layer is subdivided into two types of sublayers, media access control and logic link control layer. The functions of data link layers are framing, physical addressing, flow control, error control, and access control.
Yeah, the next student.
Green color, ma'am.
Okay.
It's physical layer. The physical layer defines the electrical and physical connections of data connection. It establishes the relationship between device and the transmission medium. The physical layer is not concerned with any protocols. It carries the bit stream over the physical medium. And some of the examples of physical layer are network adapters, Ethernet, repeaters, hubs, etc. Functions of physical layer are representation of bits, data rate, line configuration, physical topology, and transmission layer.
The next student.
Purple, ma'am.
Okay.
Transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for the process-to-process delivery of the entire message. It maintains the quality of service functions. It determines how much data should be sent, where, and at what rate. It helps ensure that data units are delivered error-free and in sequence. The transport layer also offers an acknowledgement of the successful data transmission and sends the next data in case no error occurred. TCP is the best example of the transport layer. And also, there are some functions. They are service point addressing, segmentation and reassembly, connection control, flow control, and error control.
Next student.
Layer. The application layer enables the user, whether human or software, to access the network. The application layer is the OSI layer, which is closest to the end user. This means OSI architecture layer allows user to interact with the other software application. It provides user interface and supports services such as email, remote file access and transfer, shared database management, and several types of distributed information services. Functions of application layer: network virtual terminal, file transfer access and management, mail services, and directory services.
Okay. Thank you, students.